Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, we're gonna not access this. So we're gonna hold power button and volume up, there we go, which brings up our boot options, and from here you wanna hold power off. As you can see, when you do, it changes into this window, reboot to safe mode, with a quick message that you want to reboot into safe mode. This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They'll be restored when you reboot again. I'm going to click on OK. And while the device is rebooting, I'm going to quickly just give you a little bit of an insight into this. So this mode is primarily designed for troubleshooting purposes, and more precisely when you have an application that is causing you problems. That's primarily the only thing that I can think of, but if you're a developer, you might see some other reasons. In any case, in this mode, any application that you have installed yourself that isn't part of the standard, like, default applications that come with the device will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device will be able to turn it on, start it up, which you'll be able to see just in a second once I unlock the device. Widgets also won't work, by the way, in here. So there we go. As you can see, the widget isn't loading. And on the second page, surprisingly enough, there is nothing here that actually will not run. Huh. That's kind of disappointing. So I can't really show you anything outside of the widget itself. All these applications are just the default phone apps that come with the device. But if you installed one and you try to open it up, it will give you a pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Now, that's one thing. If you're also using the app tray that you can just pull up app tray, these applications that won't run won't be visible in the app tray. So if you want to manage them, get rid of them because they're causing you problems, you would need to go into the settings instead. And under settings, you would go into apps and then all apps. And the apps that are still disabled will be visible somewhere here. So you can just click on it and then delete it, which I don't have the option here, but you can delete it from here and just manage it in whatever way you want. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, press the power button and volume up again, and this time around you'll just simply select restart. And as you can see, we are now back in Android, and more precisely the normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.